Chapter 6. How plants make food. Keywords: 1. Chlorophyll. 2. Photosynthesis. 3. Stomata. 4. Veins. 5. Iodine. 6. Starch. 7. Carbon dioxide. 8. Oxygen. Looking back. 1. A new plant which is white in color is discovered. Do you think it can make its own food? Why or why not? Answer: though plant is white in color, it cannot produce its own food because for production of food chlorophyll must be needed, which is green in color. 2. Why are leaves known as the food factory of the plant? Think what happens in a factory. In what way is a leaf like a factory? Answer: food for the entire family is cooked in the kitchen at home. Similarly, food for the entire plant is made in the leaves. That is why the leaves are called the kitchen of the plant or the food factory. Exercises. A. Multiple choice questions. 1. Which of these is not needed for photosynthesis? A. Sunlight. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Oxygen. D. Water. Answer is C. Oxygen. 2. Through which part does carbon dioxide enter the leaf? A. Stomata. B. Vein. C. Root. D. Flower. Answer is A. Stomata. 3. Which two substances are put together by plants to make food? A. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. B. Carbon dioxide and water. C. Sugar and starch. D. Carbon dioxide and starch. Answer is B. Carbon dioxide and water. 4. What produced during photosynthesis? A. Protein. B. Starch. C. Sugar. D. Salt. Answer is C. Sugar. 5. Which of the following happens during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is released. B. Oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is released. C. Both oxygen and carbon dioxide are released. D. Both oxygen and carbon dioxide are used. Answer is A. Carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is released. B. Mark tick for true and cross for false statements. 1. All living things can make their own food. Cross. 2. Only the green parts of a plant can make food. Tick. 3. The energy needed for photosynthesis comes from food. Cross. 4. Leaves take in water through their stomata. Cross. C. Match the words in the two columns. Column A, column B. 1. Chlorophyll. Substance that traps sunlight. 2. Water. Taken up by roots. 3. Stomata. Tiny holes on the underside of a leaf. 4. Starch. Stored food in plants. 5. Leaf. Food factory of the plant. D. What am I? 1. I am the substance that gives a green color to plants. Chlorophyll. 2. I am a tube that takes water to parts of the leaf. Veins. 3. I am the gas that leaves take from air to make food. Carbon dioxide. 4. I am the gas given out during photosynthesis. Oxygen. E. Answer the following questions. 1. Why is sunlight important for a plant to make its food? Answer. Sunlight is important for making food as it provides energy to plants. 2. A plant cannot make food without chlorophyll. Why? Answer. A plant cannot make food without chlorophyll because it helps the plant to trap the sunlight to provide energy for photosynthesis. 3. Where do plants store their extra food? Answer. Extra food prepared by plants is stored as starch in roots, leaves, stems, fruits and seeds of the plant. 4. How do plants use the food they prepare? Answer. The food prepared by plants is used for A. Growth, B. Repairing damage, C. Making fruits or flour and other parts. 5. Why should we maintain the balance between plants and animals in nature? Answer. Plants give out oxygen during photosynthesis that animals breathe in. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide that plants need to make food. So, if the balance between plants and animals is maintained, then plants will get enough carbon dioxide and animals will get enough oxygen. Higher order thinking skills. 1. Will your body be able to make its own food if you go out and stand in sunlight? Answer. No, our body will not be able to make food if we stand in the sunlight, as we don't have the necessary parts to make food on our own. We depend on plants for our food. 2. Imagine that scientists have discovered a new planet where life exists, but they find that all the plants are blue in color. How do you think the plants will be making food? Answer. In the new planet, it is possible that the blue pigment in the leaves help the plants to make food. It is also possible that the plants do not need to prepare the food there and get their nutrients directly from the soil. 3. During which time of the day does photosynthesis stop? Answer. Photosynthesis can stop when A. The sunlight is too hard, B. There is no sunlight, for example, in the night time or when it's cloudy.